What's up folks, Sokkehoved here, your friendly YouTuber. So today we are going to play Dirty Bomb with Fragger, which I found out I'm not good at. So you'll probably see me fail horribly here. Whoa, I am not too fond of that. Someone eat that, please. Just accept it fully. Good job. Ew. Is she trying to place that one or what? Someone please do something about him. Do I really have to pick you up? Sure, I'm just going to assist you here. There you go. Who's doing that? You? Thank you. Maximilian, yeah. I do not like that one, to be honest. Thank you. Here you go. Catch that one, please. Someone, yeah, someone's there. Be nice if they could just kill them. Shuffle teams by skill? You got the highest levels, dude. Yeah. Actually, I could hit with my nade. That's nice. I never thought that would be possible, to be honest. Please don't die in there. That would be much appreciated. Oh, no. Good job. Good job. At least I received ammo, but I still need... Hello! I'm still in need of some health. Oh, headshot! Quad krill! Woo! Just because we're defending. Hey, ace. Great. Oh! No! I am not going to be part of that. Just so you know. Ow. Where the hell was that from? That was from over there, of course. Can I please get some help? Pretty, please. No. No help. No help. It's okay, I'm just going to spawn. I don't have to think about that. Something tells me that they might... He just needs to lay completely still. That would be mostly appreciated by him. Eat that one, assholes. Do not know what that one is, but I do not want it to be there. I sucked with that one. What is that? Is that just to... Ah, it's to detect me, of course. Now it's gone. Good, 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 good. Thank you. I do have that one to refill my ammo, so... Please do not kill me. Would be much appreciated. Ew! Ew! I do not like you guys shooting at me, to be honest. Would be much appreciated if you did not shoot at me. No! No! Damn it. Yeah. Now they're just pouring in because everyone just died from something. That sucks. Thank you for the health. No! Of course, yeah. They got one, unfortunately. That sucks. Yeah, they did. So close! Of course in the overtime. That's just typical. Wow. What is that they are trying to blow up? They're already there, right? No! Ah, I hate that. I am good at being taken from behind and hard. Please defuse it. Of course we cannot defuse it because people don't want to, or what? Why not defuse it? Yeah, it doesn't matter now.
Objective destroyed. Don't let them deliver the bloody objective.
Ah, now they're just beginning to face roll us. That sucks.
They've got the objective. I'm reloaded.
Thank you. Yeah, we need to go somewhere here from here. Else we're never going to do anything of use. Of course, if you were a sniper, you could probably sit there. I received ammo! Yay! That's the positive thing. Why do I have to get stuck there? Because I'm not good?
Don't let them deliver the bloody objective.
Yeah. Probably going to screw us over from somewhere. Because everyone's grouping at one place and then just getting screwed over by an airstrike or a nade or I don't know, something. Ow! You again! You ass! I do not like you. Seems like I hit someone. There you go. Ass?
Them deliver the bloody objective.
Of course not. Why should we even let them deliver it? Ow. This is not fun. Just so I know. Yeah, someone with more accurate weapons, please kill them over there. What? Was that really him? Or was it because that one shot the nade from behind the cover? No one is covering that side, as far as I believe. So they're just allowed to run in there and deliver the objective, no problem. At least that's what I feel like they're going to do. See? You die. And you die. Thank you!
They've got the objective.
Reloading weapon.
Good job. Good job. Even though I could use some ammo though. Thank you. No! And now they're just allowed to be up there again. Because no one cares. Just have to hold them for like 3 minutes more. Why sit down there when you know he got those mines? Oh, they're just bombing the hell out of the place. Please take them down. Please just take them down. Ow, 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 ow. Damn artillery. Util, thank you. Wow, they actually got one of them in? Damn.
I'm reloaded.
Oh, they're just going to be there, those a-holes. Wow.
Don't let them deliver the bloody objective.
I'll just need to keep track of that one, or,
Objective
yeah,
returned.
return it. They got so much artillery that it is crazy.
They've got the objective.
Of course they do. Mine deployed! Nice! And then you're just charging out into them. Great. I do not know what I'm shooting after, but I've just seen rounds coming in from everywhere. There you go. Can we please return this one? That would be much appreciated right now. Thank you!
Objective returned.
Or kill. With one nade. I do not complain about that, to be honest. Someone died over there, and someone is dying over there as well. I am just going to cover you. Yes! We won, right? I hope so. The suspense. Yes! I didn't think that would be possible. Wow. 23-7? I did not expect that, to be honest. What? Oh, a level reward because I probably went up level. Fair enough. And plenty of badges. Yay! Positive. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this Let's Play of Fragger, which I am not good at, but it went kind of okay. It could have went a lot better, I believe. But yeah, comment down below what you liked, what you didn't like. The next one will probably be a case opening, I believe. But until next time, take care, have fun, and I will see you in the next video.